What's up, guys? Mikey. Real quick. It's okay. Okay. Um, I want to go over my BHIL short. Thought it was phenomenal. Um, thought it was really great reads on my end, and really sticking to the trade and executing. All right. Very important, right? Let me pull this back real quick. Okay. Uh, guys, I truly break down zones. Um, right from the daily 4 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, intraday 1 hour, and if I have to on the 30 minute. Okay, when this daily starts to break out, right, you see this daily. Okay, you could draw a little zone right here, and I did that. Okay, that's this little one right here. Okay, it matters to me. Now, when things start to actually have too much of a gap, where it's like, hey, this is just too much to reclaim and things are already kind of cranking out, I break it down into these smaller time frames that eventually matter. Okay, so this is a 2 hour supply zone, all right, that I had out here. Okay, and not for nothing, this is something I learned from Jrut, right? This is that up only 1 minute flag, 1 minute false breakout. This is exactly where I shorted into this. Okay. Um, Let me real quick go up and I'll grab that really quick. Yeah. Okay. That doesn't matter, right? Very beautiful short, and these are pre-existing zones, right? And the reason why I keep them and I run them out is because you see this start to try to re-tap and reclaim these areas, and it just can't. All right. Retest is the bottom of this 2 hour supply zone that I broke down um, right over here. They matter, you know. These little areas matter, okay? To me, and especially in small cap land and on large caps, right? This is how I'm able to trade Tesla pretty well in the book, okay? All right, so going back to this chart, right? And now we're going to go ahead and go back to, I thought this is very important, okay? This is the intraday, right? Intra supply zone. All right, this thing tried to bounce, and I literally just try to tap the first couple candles I can. I would have actually even tapped it to 43.84 right here, but it's fine, right? A generalized area of this. So this needs to reclaim after a pretty big sell dump candle, okay? It's very important. And in fact, if you guys saw this one and you're watching this one came down so sharp. Don't really like those that too much, okay? This is a nice dump candle after it tried to make new highs. This is a false breakout or an attempt to try to break out. Let's dive into the book. Charts are, or candles are. Okay. I also need to go get a new mouse because I think I abused it scrolling in and out so much. Yeah, and it won't even, this is driving me nuts. Okay. Yeah, first thing tomorrow morning, 05. Okay. Very important after an up only move. Okay. This thing started to pile in a lot of higher volume, right? You can see these aggressive buyers and sellers. This is a combination, right? Let's switch this over just to volume delta buy minus sell. Even still, then there's a lot of market buys or aggressive buyers coming in on this tape, and very important that you just see they're having a hard time getting over here, removing this liquidity. In fact, uh, wow, okay. This is, I broke my mouse. I'm so sorry. Okay. And in fact, that not only do, if you zoom in and see this a little bit closer, right, at this is the top, they kind of let these guys slip in right here. The liquidity wasn't really removed. All right. It's a bunch of pulling and pushing, trying to trap real quick with a little spoof bidder, algo, potentially. All right. And then you see this. Okay. Now, there's really not a lot of buying going on, and there's just a ton of buyers getting filled in between the best offer and bid. So if you see this right here, you see that there's a little spread going on. Okay, that's super important to understand. Okay, utilizing the book. All right. I thought this was phenomenal because they try to hold it up again for a little bit longer, and then guys, there's no bids. All right, no true bid support after an up only move. So, granted, this is a larger float, so it didn't have that insane sell-off like you would see on the low float and a lot of these stocks that Jrut trades and stuff like this. But this was here. All right. I got really interested because it again could not break over that 2-hour supply zone that I put after an up only move. All right. And this thing, price auction. All right. Price auction. I'm going to say that again because you're never really going to truly understand the true price auction on a name by staring at candlesticks and charts and EMAs and things like that. It's just, it doesn't, no, you're not going to do it. It's not going to happen. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of people who are super successful doing that and stuff. But to understand true liquidity is a phenomenal thing. No guessing. It's all right here in front of our face. And if not, this is what we see. Okay, super cool. Um, People will probably make fun of that, but messed up on a few speeches. It's okay. I don't gotta be perfect, right? All right, and then this thing actually tries to do a retest right here, right? This is that, guys, lower high. You know, um, you really gotta just follow structure. Things sometimes need a lower high after breaking down and consolidating to generate another round of liquidity, right? And if you see this lower high, and then all you see is huge sells come through. This is beautiful. All right, I was able to cover the 38 crack, and then I just finished the rest at 37 and a half. I didn't want to swing or wait all day, and this thing kind of bounced towards the end of the day, anyways. I'll be watching this one. You know, definitely be watching this one in the sense that we could get a nice continuation play. Looking for a potential pullback maybe on Monday, right? A nice little pullback to previous supply turning into demand. Okay, definitely over like 41s. I'll keep that on watch, and then see if we can continue upward. There's 39 mil on the day. You know, we'll see what happens, right? Um, you know, definitely right. Gotta re-break this down. Okay, this is going to be a potential key area again. I'm gonna do this right now. Why not? All right, any key breakdown areas. Probably keep this one as close as I can. Say right here, and just run this across. Keep it really simple. Okay, guys, this is what I do too. My morning preps in the morning. I do this every single morning with the guys in the room. To go over this, and then we brainstorm together. It's phenomenal. We wake up super early, and then we grind. Okay, any really true key. Okay, we already got this breakdown. This is going to be a nice breakdown to reclaim, and if you see right here, it's trying to. Okay, nice breakdown with nice volume. Reattempt and fail. Nice lower high. That's cool. Yeah, this is previous daily demand supply. Sorry, turned into demand for right now. It looks like it's trying to respect it. So, we'll see this for continuation. The higher the better, right? That's what everyone says. Anyways, higher the better. Why not? And then we can try to catch another round. I would preferably try to catch this long, right, off pretty good soaks. And then look for the short after. That's what I focus on, primarily long in the morning. And then now I'm shifting over to shorting in the afternoon because, guys, I got the book. I see a price auction, and then I attack it. All right. Much love, guys. Peace out, Mikey.